I think this is my first video. I'll just be like messing with stuff and you know. So, that's it. What you want, boy? What? You want me to come over there? Just get on the ground. Get on the ground. Oh, you sassy son of a gun. She's mine. Come at me, bro. Ooh, sassy fighter. I just like cut through the woman, but it didn't do any damage. Oh, sit down, rubber ducky. Ah, suck it. Oh, I'm spivey. Sit down. I didn't do anything. Yeah, I didn't do it. Hi guys, how you doing today? Yeah, I know that too. Yeah, suck it. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Oh, I'm sorry. Yep, sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. Hi guys. Oh, oops. How did he not notice? Oh, I just killed like, I got 3 double kills. What's 3 times 2, guys? Wait, I'm trying to think. Dun, 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 dun. I'm Tarzan. Dun, 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 dun. Tarzan, here we go. Tarzan to save the day. Is there any guys on any buildings? Are there any troops that I can assassinate from up here? Oh boy, this is boring. Come on, I need some troops. Oh yes, it might be down here. What? I swear, I thought that would be them. I don't care. Oh yes, some guys. Damn, this guy's good. Whoa, whoa, look at this. Oh, that's nice. Is one up there? Ah, crotch shot. Ha, loser. This is fun. That guy just did like a total backflip. He's a loser. I swear there was another guy over here. That's just my imagination. Oh yes, I can assassinate one of these guys. Dun, 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 dun. Where are they? Dun, 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 dun. Are they really right under that thing? Oh, come on. Okay, fine. I'll get over here. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. You guys are losers. Hallelujah. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Who? Loser. Oh yeah. One of these. You don't want to fight. Good for you. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Oops, sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Run for Narnia! Agent P! Oh, sorry. I can climb a ladder. I can climb a ladder. Let me go, sorry. What? Okay, whatever. Okay, you guys are bad. Oh, I'm about to die. I just kick him off. Oh, he just punched me. Oh yeah, that guy's on a roll. Oh yeah. But that's how you do it, boys and girls. Oh no, one more. What? Oh yeah, I'm being a beast. Beast mode. Beast mode. Boom. Hi guys. What? I don't speak your language. What? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't run from me. Oh, whoa, back off, my guy. He's my buddy. His name's Timmy. Yeah, that Timmy just killed you. But I like restricted areas. They're fun to play in. Okay, how about... Dude, stop. You can hit the ground, it's alright. He's broke. Oh yes, I got 3 bullets. Okay, I need to find a barrel. What? Oops, sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Can I pick up your shawl? Looks like a good weapon. Nope. If you guys know where to find barrels, that'd be really helpful. Wait, can I pick up this barrel? Dang it. I was watching this one YouTuber and he picked up a barrel. It was so awesome. Like, okay. I don't have time for... Wait. Shh. How does he not hear me? Oops. That was a dirty fall. Pick up body. Here we go. I might be able to drop him on that guy. Got a body. Drop body. Oops. No, drop. Drop. Okay, I'm gonna pick up this. Okay, now I'm gonna pick him up. Here we go. I'm sorry. He said he liked to be carried, so I was just giving him a nice little ride. Dude, here. Okay, fine. I'm sorry. Oh, yeah. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Swaggy. That's how you do it, boys and girls. Everybody was. What you looking at, boy? Sorry. Oops. Oh, I got a bullet. Ooh, I like bullets. Oh, dude, why'd you bump into me, you old lady? Dun dun da 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 dun da 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 da. Oh, really? Why'd you do that? Oops, sorry. I know that was an accident. Didn't mean to pull the trigger. Wait, is that a barrel? Yes.
Último aviso. ¿Quieres vivir? Vamos, obedece. Lárgate de aquí.
Oops.
Claro.
What the? You guys are weak.
¿Puedo disparar? ¿Puedo abatirlo?
Come on.
Objetivo a la vista. Esa rata está a tiro.
Climb. Close up. Yes.
¡Ah! ¡No te escaparás! ¡A tiro!
Oh, get out your gun.
¿Crees que puedes despistarnos?
Get out your freaking gun. Okay, you guys are you're really gonna die. Okay, screw it. Oh, come on. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. This was my first Assassin's Creed Black Flag video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like if you like the video. Thank you, guys. Bye.